How to change language in Pinterest. To change your language on Pinterest, you need to follow the steps. Open up Pinterest on your device. Make sure that the application is completely up to date. If not, you could simply go ahead and update it from your respective app store. After the app is updated to the latest version, you then need to open your Pinterest on your device. Tap the profile initials from the bottom right corner of your screen, and after which tap on the three dot icon from the top and then go to settings. And when you go to settings from the list, what here you need to do is simply go ahead and click on account management section. As soon as you click on account management section, there you could find language button. So as you could see, I do not have these option, the language option. So what I need to do is just go ahead and explore it on this section. You will be able to find it. You go to account management and then click on personal information. There you have language, so you could click on it and accordingly make changes with the language that you like. And this is how you could change language in Pinterest. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.